Hey, it's Jim. It's Friday the 13th in the evening. I just got back from a road trip to look at a vehicle, and it didn't check out, but there was a box sitting just inside the door when I got home, and I was pretty excited to see that. It's a friend of mine that worked for me quite a few years ago up on the west coast, and let's see, I put quite a few stamps together here. Anyway, yeah, so he had a saw that needs some attention. I think he said it would, oh, it's an old 56. Said it had been in the family for a long time. So, anyways, yeah. I thought he was talking an 066, but isn't that something, eh? Yeah. Well, clean that up and see what it ends up with. Okay, we'll keep you posted. Have a good one.